Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A rare snowstorm sweeps up the United States East Coast. A rare and powerful winter storm is moving up the East Coast, bringing snowfall to the areas from the deep south to the England and dumping several inches of the snow in the northeast. After an unusual snowy morning in the parts of Florida and Georgia, the storm is now stranding as it travels north. Some higher elevations in the North Carolina are still seeing snow, but the main impact is expected across the northeast. The heaviest snowfall is forecast till Monday, depending on the region, and in the New York City, snow is expected to taper off, while the Boston could see the snowflakes lasting through Monday morning. Most areas in the northeast can expect about 3 inches of the snow, with the isolated spots receiving up to 6 inches, especially across the eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Islands. Farther west, including Connecticut and western Massachusetts, totals are expected to be slightly lower and generally between 2 and 4 inches. Forecasters say the storm system is tracking closer to the coast, which could push heavier snowfall farther west than earlier predictions. Meanwhile, the deep south is witnessing a rare winter event. Parts of Georgia and Florida Panhandle recorded more than 0.1 inch of the snow, marking the first time on record that some locations experienced snow in 2 consecutive winters. Places in Florida reported snowfall early Sunday, though it melted quickly as temperatures rose. Forecasters are also warning that the coldest air of the winter season is moving in, bringing dangerously low chills to the millions across the eastern United States. If you found this update useful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest weather forecast. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next update.